Today we're covering concrete resurfacing versus replacement, when to pick each. Here's what you need to know. Resurfacing costs a third of replacement, but only works on slabs that pass 3 structural tests. Here is how to read your own driveway, patio, or sidewalk and know which side of the line you are on. Quick answer. Concrete resurfacing costs 4 to 9 per square foot and gives a structurally sound slab a 15 to 25-year refresh. Full replacement costs 9 to 16 per square foot, but is the only durable fix when the slab fails one of 3 structural tests: active cracks with displacement, hollow spots under the slab, or surface damage deeper than a quarter inch. The wrong choice in either direction wastes money. A resurfacing on a failing slab fails inside 18 months, and a replacement of a structurally sound slab burns roughly 2/3 of the cost difference for no functional gain. Reading your own concrete against the 3 tests below in 15 minutes gives you the right answer before any contractor walks the slab. Moving on to the 3 structural tests that decide it. Almost every flatwork judgment call in North Carolina comes down to 3 questions. If the slab passes all 3, resurfacing is genuinely on the table and the cost case for it is strong. If the slab fails any single one, an overlay will not hold, and the money is better spent on replacement. Next up, test 1. Are the cracks active? Walk the slab and find every visible crack. For each one, run your finger across the crack laterally and look at the 2 sides edge on. You are checking for 2 things: vertical displacement, one side higher than the other, and horizontal displacement, one side has shifted along the crack line. If both sides are at the same elevation and have not shifted laterally, the crack is stable. It represents historical movement that has stopped. Stable cracks get routed and filled with a polyurea joint sealant or flexible crack isolation membrane, and an overlay will not telegraph them. If you can feel a ridge, even 1/16 inch of vertical lift, the slab is still moving. That movement does not stop because you put a 1/4 inch of cementitious overlay over it. The overlay will crack along the same line within 1 or 2 freeze-thaw cycles. This is the most common reason for failed resurfacing jobs we get called to fix in NC. Let's talk about test 2. Is the base stable? Take a hard rubber mallet or a 2-pound hammer and tap the slab firmly in a grid pattern every 3 to 4 feet across the surface. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.